Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of apple cider vinegar and uncovering 25 surprising benefits that you probably didn't know about. So grab a pen and paper, because you'll definitely want to take notes on this one. 1. First up, apple cider vinegar is packed with acetic acid, which can help lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. 2. It can aid in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing appetite, helping you consume fewer calories throughout the day. 3. Did you know that apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties? It can help kill pathogens, including bacteria, and may even help prevent infections. 4. For those struggling with acne, apple cider vinegar can be a game changer. Its acidic nature helps balance the skin's pH levels, reducing breakouts and improving overall complexion. 5. Say goodbye to bad breath. Gargling with apple cider vinegar diluted in water can help kill odor-causing bacteria in your mouth, keeping your breath fresh. 6. Apple cider vinegar is also great for your hair. It can help remove product buildup, restore shine, and even stimulate hair growth. 7. If you suffer from dandruff, apple cider vinegar can be your new best friend. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe an itchy scalp and reduce flakiness. 8. It's a natural remedy for heartburn and acid reflux. Just mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it to help neutralize stomach acid. 9. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural household cleaner. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective at killing germs and bacteria on surfaces. 10. For those with arthritis or joint pain, apple cider vinegar's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce symptoms and improve mobility. 11. It can aid in digestion by promoting the production of stomach acid, which helps break down food more efficiently. 12. Apple cider vinegar can help detoxify the body by supporting liver function and promoting the elimination of toxins. 13. For those looking to improve their skin's appearance, apple cider vinegar can help reduce the appearance of age spots and scars. 14. It's a natural deodorant. Applying apple cider vinegar to your underarms can help kill odor-causing bacteria and keep you feeling fresh all day. 15. Apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. 16. It's an excellent natural remedy for sunburns. Applying diluted apple cider vinegar to the affected area can help soothe pain and promote healing. 17. For those struggling with seasonal allergies, drinking apple cider vinegar may help alleviate symptoms by reducing mucus production and inflammation. 18. Apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood pressure levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. 19. It's a natural energy booster. Drinking apple cider vinegar diluted in water can help improve stamina and fight fatigue. 20. For women experiencing yeast infections, apple cider vinegar can help restore balance to the vaginal pH and alleviate symptoms. 21. Apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable tool for managing type 2 diabetes. 22. It can help alleviate muscle cramps and soreness after exercise by replenishing electrolytes and reducing inflammation. 23. For those with oily skin, apple cider vinegar can help regulate sebum production and minimize the appearance of pores. 24. It's a natural teeth whitener. Gargling with diluted apple cider vinegar can help remove stains and brighten your smile. 25. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar can help improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. And there you have it, 25 incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar that you need to know about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.